Once upon a time, in a sun-soaked Polynesian village, there was a young and adventurous girl named Moana. She had always been intrigued by the stories of her ancestors, who spoke of great explorers who traveled the oceans. One day, Moana, with her family aboard a sturdy boat, embarked on a journey to bring peace to her homeland. Unknown to them, lurking in the depths of the ocean was a fearsome villain known as the Fireman. The Fireman, a being of molten lava and searing heat, was known to terrorize seafarers who dared to cross his waters. His anger was as fiery as his appearance, with flames flickering in the hollows of his eyes. However, Moana was not afraid. Her spirit was as vast as the ocean she sailed. As Moana's boat navigated through the glittering ocean waves, her family huddled close together, whispering tales of courage to bolster their spirits. On the horizon, a storm brewed, clouds swirling ominously. Suddenly, the sea began to boil, steam rising and hissing as the fireman emerged, his form towering over the water. Moana stood at the helm, facing the fiery antagonist. Her family, standing resolutely behind her, shared their strength, emboldening her to stand against such a daunting foe. The fireman roared, fiery embers spewing into the sky. Instead of fear, Moana felt a surge of calm. She remembered what her grandmother had taught her about the ocean's balance, that every creature, no matter how fearsome, has a reason for its existence and a story to tell. With determination in her voice, Moana called out, beckoning the fireman to reveal his plight. Her fearless bravery surprised the fireman. For centuries, none had spoken to him with such understanding. Gradually, his flames dimmed, and his molten exterior cooled. He revealed a sorrowful past, a time when he was a guardian of warmth and light, now lost to anger and isolation. Touched by his tale, Moana promised to help restore his place in the natural world. Together with her family, they performed an ancient chant, the ocean responding with waves of soothing energy that enveloped the fireman. As the storm clouds parted and calm waters returned, the fireman's once fiery visage transformed into a gentle glow. Grateful and at peace, he sank back into the sea, leaving Moana and her family to continue their journey. They sailed on, their spirits high, knowing they had made a powerful ally and restored harmony to the ocean, their hearts filled with the courage to face any new challenge the future might hold.